Today we are going to talk about adding tags to content. Tagging content makes it easier to find back to that content later for yourself and everyone else in your company who got access to that content. So if you want to check out another tool for finding your content, you can consider using custom tags. Now, how do I do that, I hear you say? Well, now that you are here, if you stay a little longer, I will show you how. So let's start with how it looks when tags are added to content. So here I have a list of products. I can type in swprd : to return a list of all my products on my platform, SOLIDWORKS parts and assemblies. Here I have a list of the tags I have added on all SOLIDWORKS files in this case. And I can click one of them and filter the search result on that tag. So this is how it's done basically. You can also access the tags over here to the left. In the tags section you can see the tags over here. So here I got some files and I want to add a tag to some of them. So I'm selecting the files from a search result, and when I click the tag button I can see the list of tags, and on the top there I can add a custom tag. So I'm just inserting a project name and I can choose what category of tags this tag will be. So this is the what tag in this case. So when I search for the same products later, I can filter on that tag. A little bonus tip is that you can add the same tag for more file types, like Word documents. So if the files have something in common, like a project name, you can reuse the same tag on those files as well. Custom tags work well for informal uses, because there are better and more powerful tools for categorizing and creating order in your content, like bookmarks and classification. A word of warning with custom tags is that tagging can quickly become a little messy if you are several users at your company and all of them are creating their own tags. What you could do to avoid this is to have a planned approach to tagging so that the tags that you are adding make sense for your company as a whole. Okay, so let's test these tags. I will search for everything by going to the advanced search section. Inserting the end date will give me everything on the platform that is created until that date, which is basically everything. Collection of everything like tasks, change actions, bookmarks, and everything on the platform. What I'm interested in is the tag, which I will find under here. So clicking on that tag gives me the files that I have tagged with the project name. So there you have it. Adding custom tags is another way to find back to your content. And this is a useful thing that might be convenient in certain situations. That's it for now about tagging. See you next time.